They just lift it.
Okay, so what we have, so that is an electrical cable. So, and you can see that the water is behind it. So it's running underneath. I can't get underneath enough. But basically they've tucked this and they've attached it. This is the, let's see, it's absolutely soaked. So here we have, if there was any doubt, we have water. There's a, what, the shell? It's a little crustacean of some sort. God. And as we pan out, so that's where the water is, and the basement floor will be about that height. So the basement, can't even feel it. That might be, no. So you've got the basement floor above it. This is sitting on rock. The basement floor has, Jesus Christ, where are the electrical cables for this? Like, this seriously cannot. Down. Okay. All right, I'm not going to freak out. And that's what we have.
That may even be from the old electrical, the meter board that's outside.
Oh, of course it is.
So
because the meter board,
which would record the water, because that used to be a hot water cylinder in there.
So the meter board is around about here. So that would be coming down underneath the concrete slab to there.
Probably went through to the
hot water cylinder,
which
would explain why this leaves. It's just got nothing in it. It's certainly not a water pipe.
And then that would go to the new meter board, which is in behind.
Yep. Okay.